I had an hour, 53 minutes left, and it just doesn't seem like it's getting any thicker, so I figured I'd pull it. And the whey looks really good. This is definitely more liquidy. I'm guessing because of more protein, less fat, compared to the half and half, and then definitely less carbohydrates. I don't know, the carbohydrates alone or the other properties, but it just doesn't seem to be getting any thicker. So, it's good. But I'm going to go ahead and package this up, and if I want it thicker, I could probably put it in a colander. Maybe this will get thicker going 36 hours, but definitely tastes like soy. It's not getting, it's going to get sour, so I don't really want it to be more sour. So I'm going to call it good and go ahead and pull it.